Tool 1. Motion AI. Let's start with one of my favorite productivity tools. Imagine you write 10 tasks for today. Halfway through the day, a meeting gets added. Then another task becomes urgent. Now your entire schedule is a mess. That's exactly the problem Motion AI solves. Instead of just giving you a to-do list, Motion acts like a personal AI assistant. You simply add your tasks, deadlines, and meetings, and it automatically builds the best schedule for your day. If one meeting gets canceled or a new task appears, Motion instantly rearranges everything for you. That means you spend less time planning and more time actually getting work done. If you're a student, freelancer, or someone with a busy calendar, this tool can easily save you hours every week. And if you'd like a complete tutorial where I show how to set up Motion from scratch, let me know in the comments. I'll make a dedicated video on it.
Tool 2. Rewind AI. Here's something most people don't even know exists. Have you ever remembered reading something important, but couldn't remember where? Maybe it was a website, a meeting, a YouTube video, or a conversation from yesterday. Then you waste 20 minutes trying to find it again. That's where Rewind AI becomes incredibly useful. It quietly records your work on your computer and lets you search through your past using AI. Instead of remembering where you saw something, you simply search for it. Think of it as giving your computer a searchable memory. For researchers, developers, students, and creators, this can save a surprising amount of time. If you're finding these tools useful so far, take 1 second to hit the like button. It really helps the channel reach more people. Tool 3. Mem AI. Let's be honest, most note-taking apps slowly become digital junk drawers. You save hundreds of notes, but finding the right one later feels impossible. That's why I like Mem AI. Instead of forcing you to create folders and organize everything manually, AI connects your notes automatically. Write ideas whenever they come to mind. Meeting notes, project ideas, research, random thoughts. Later, when you search for something, Mem understands the context instead of just matching keywords. It's almost like talking to your own knowledge base. Less organizing, more creating. And that's exactly what productivity should feel like. Tool 4. Before Sunset AI. Have you ever created a huge to-do list, only to finish 2 tasks? The problem usually isn't motivation, it's planning. Before Sunset AI helps you decide what actually deserves your attention today. You tell it your priorities. The AI builds a realistic daily plan instead of an impossible one. It even estimates how long each task might take, helping you avoid overloading your schedule. Small changes like this can dramatically reduce stress while helping you finish more important work. By the way, if there's any tool in this video you'd like me to cover in detail, comment its name below. I read every comment and often choose future videos based on your suggestions. Tool 5. Lindy AI. Now, let's talk about something really powerful. Imagine having an employee who works 24 hours a day, replies to emails, schedules meetings, follows up with clients, collects information, handles repetitive tasks. That's basically what Lindy AI lets you build. Without hiring anyone, you can create AI assistants that automate everyday work so you can focus on things that actually require your attention. Whether you're running a business or working alone, automation like this gives you back one thing you can never buy: time. And that's why tools like Lindy are becoming more valuable every year.
Tool 6. Saner.ai exists. Let's be honest for a second. How many times have you had a great idea and then completely forgotten it a few days later? We've all been there. That's exactly why Saner.ai exists. Think of it as your AI-powered second brain. Whenever an idea comes to your mind, just type it in. Meeting notes, voice notes, tasks, research, bookmarks, random thoughts. Saner automatically organizes everything without forcing you to create folders or complicated systems. Later, instead of remembering where you saved something, simply ask it in plain English. For example, what were the marketing ideas I wrote last week? Or show me my React interview notes. It instantly finds what you're looking for. Instead of spending time managing your notes, you spend time using them. And honestly, that's what productivity's all. Tool 7, Screen Studio. If you're someone who records tutorials, creates client demos, or posts on YouTube, this tool is a game changer. Recording your screen is easy. Making it look professional isn't. Normally, you'd spend hours adding zoom effects, smooth camera movements, and polishing the video. Screen Studio does all of that automatically. It intelligently zooms into your cursor, follows your actions, adds smooth movements, and makes your recordings look like they were edited by a professional. What used to take an hour now takes just a few minutes. Since many of you are content creators or developers, I think you'll love this one. And if you'd like me to make a full tutorial showing exactly how I use Screen Studio for my own workflow, let me know in the comments. Tool 8, Text Blaze. Here's a simple question. How many times have you typed the same email, the same introduction, or the same message? Probably hundreds. That's where Text Blaze becomes incredibly useful. Instead of typing everything again and again, create a shortcut. For example, type /thanks, and it instantly expands into a full professional email. Need another one? Type /meeting, and your complete meeting template appears. The more repetitive your work is, the more valuable this tool becomes. Customer support, sales, freelance. Tool 9, Fabric AI. Let's finish with one of the smartest productivity tools on this list. Think about everything you save every day. Screenshots, PDFs, bookmarks, YouTube videos, images, documents, links. They're all scattered across different apps. Then one day you need something and you have absolutely no idea where you saved it. That's exactly the problem Fabric AI solves. Instead of organizing files manually, Fabric becomes one searchable home for your digital life. Save almost anything into it. Then later, simply ask questions like, show me the design inspiration I saved last month, or find that AI article about automation. The AI understands what you're looking for instead of making you search folder by folder. It's one of those tools that quietly saves time every single day. And honestly, those are usually the best productivity tools. And those were 9 AI tools that can genuinely help you work smarter in 2026. You definitely don't need all of them. Just 1 or 2 that solve your biggest productivity problem can make a huge difference. I'd love to know which tool you're going to try first, so leave its name in the comments. If enough people request the same one, I'll make a complete step-by-step tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, like, share it with someone who loves discovering useful tech, and subscribe to Nichezy, because every week I bring you hidden AI tools, powerful websites, and productivity resources that make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.